Python variables and data types. You know, variables. What is variable? What is variable, Durga? What is a variable? We discussed in Java.
It's a data type.
Uh,
Data type, sir.
not that type. Don't mix. I'm asking what is a variable? What is a variable? Don't mix it. Say variable is a named memory location to store the temporary data within a program. We have two types of memory in computer environment. Temporary memory RAM, RAM, permanent memory ROM, example hard disk, DVD, etc. Variable store in temporary memory RAM. See once again, variable is a named memory location to store the temporary data within a program, not permanent data. Suppose after execution of the program, variable values removed from the RAM. Whenever you start execution of your program, then variables load into RAM. Next, in Python, we need not to declare. In Python language, we need not to declare variables before using them or declare their type. Say Python supports implicit declaration of data types. For example, just a minute. Why it is showing? Python supports implicit declaration of data types. Means no data type specification. Java supports explicit declaration of data types. See, we no need to declare a variable with data type, Durga. A variable is a name given to memory location. It is the basic unit of storage in programs. Observe rules we discussed in Java also. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Here no $sign. In Java $sign allow. Java allows. A variable name of Python must start with a letter, capital A to Z or small a to Z, or the underscore character. Next, a variable name contains cannot start with a number. Okay. Next, variable names are case sensitive. Next, reserved words or keywords can't be used as variables. Next, creating variables. Creating variables, or you can say declaring variables. How we declare variables in Java? Added using data type na. Suppose int x equals
Yes,
to
sir.
100. Char,
Yes.
suppose string name equals to India, like
Yes, sir.
data type. Here no data type. It is a lightweight language. Implicit declaration of data types. See,
Okay.
Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Observe this point carefully. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Example, observe.
Like you saw in the earlier, right? In the program.
Yes. Like I shown in the earlier. Observe. Suppose x equals to 1, 2, 3. Semicolon required.
No data type there.
No data type. It doesn't support.
Yes, sir.
If you specify data type, you want to specify data type, no keyword. If you try to specify, that is invalid syntax. See, implicit declaration of data types only. No explicit declaration. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Now variable created, I assign a value. Next, suppose y equals to Python. It is string now.
Y equals to.
It is string. Why I am using string syntax. Next, Z equals to 10.234. You can use any value now.
Yes, sir. So it automatically detects the data
Yes,
type, right?
automatically detects. Observe. Suppose print these values. Print. Suppose print is keyword of Python, and it is built-in function. Print
X, comma, Y, comma, Z. We can,
comma y comma z. That is invalid. That I will explain later. Y z. First it will display 1, 2, 3. It will
One,
display
two, three. Yes.
uh,
Python.
Python. It will display 10.234. Okay. Suppose A equals to 2. Literal na Boolean value.
Yes, sir.
Boolean value. True, P capital. False, F capital. None. None means null.
So in the print Z, the comment is the 1 minus.
Just a minute.
I was thinking that, sir.
Okay. This is
Sir.
Boolean values. Here no explicit declaration of variables. No explicit declaration of variables. Run the program. First save the file, run. Observe the last 4 outputs. Bottom, last 4 outputs. 1,
Yes, sir.
2, 3, Python, 10.234,
Yes.
true. Okay na?
Yes.
Next.
So if I double code the true,
that is illegal na. That is true is reserved word. Observe the color coding.
yeah, this is a word. Okay.
If you use true, it is string only na.
Okay, string value. Yeah, I was thinking.
It will display true, but no meaning of true.
Okay.
It will display true, but no meaning.
Okay.
See, this is about declaration of variables. Declaration of variables, Sandhya, or you can say creating variables. Creating variables. Next, Python supports assigning a value, assigning a single value to multiple variables. Assigning a single value to multiple variables. Observe, suppose A equals to, B equals to, C equals to, D equals to 100. Now, what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one?
It means
Assigning a
100.
value to multiple variables in a single step. Assigning a value to multiple variables with a single step. Suppose, just a minute. Java doesn't support this one. Print A. Print A. Print A. Print B, C, D. Save the file and run the run module. Observe A100, B100, C100, D100, Sandhya.
Yes, sir.
We assigned a single value to multiple variables at a time.
Yes, sir.
Next, getting the data type. I already told Python is a lightweight language. It doesn't support explicit declaration of data types, only implicit declaration. Then how it consider the data based on the usage of data, how end user knows the data type. You can get the data type using type function, type keyword. See, last topic of the day, get type, get type. Say we can get the data type of any variable by using type function. You asked Jared,
Yes, sir.
no explicit declaration of data types in Python, but how it considers based on the usage of data. Suppose if you use 100, internally it considers integer type data. If you use 10.23, internally it considers floating point value. Suppose if you use within double quote India, then it will consider string.
String type.
Internally it will consider string. Here observe text text is str, string str. Numeric
Sir,
types.
sorry, sir. Actually, sir, there is some earthquake here. I need to go outside, sir.
Okay,
Sorry.
okay. Leave. Last minute actually. Numeric types. Last example for the day. Numeric types. Suppose int, float, complex. Int, float, complex. Next, Boolean type. Logical. Boolean type. Bool. These are the important types. Other last example for the day. Suppose A equals to 100. Next, B equals to 10.23. Next, C equals to India. Next, D equals to true. Next, print A. Now tell me, added last question for the day. What is the output of these four statements? A, B, C, D. I explained this one now.
Yes, sir. A is
String
100.
str, number int, floating point number float, bool. What is the four outputs?
A is 100. It's integer.
Integer. It will show.
Integer.
INT.
Okay.
INT. It will show INT. Next.
But we didn't use any type keywords, sir.
Yes. Good observation. We need to not print type. Type also keyword of Python, or you can say built-in function.
Okay.
Built-in function. This is int. Second one,
Float.
Third one,
String.
string
str.
reserved words.
Bool.
Next, bool. Save the program. Save. Run module or F5 shortcut key. A is not defined. What is the problem? Double equals to incorrect syntax. Save, run module. Why nothing? Just a minute.
So we didn't print, right?
Yes. Print of just a minute. It doesn't provide syntax guidance. Ideally, doesn't provide syntax guidance. Save the file, run module. Now observe int classification, int, float, str, bool.
Both. Yes.
Okay na Sandhya?